Hello everyone, it's Monica and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm coming to you with free entries into my 5k giveaway. As you know, I reached 5,000 subscribers and I'm really so happy to have you here. And thank you so much for all your likes, subscriptions and all the comments. I love reading your comments and I'm ever so grateful for all those. So let me start off with the first one. I met with Monika. She has a YouTube channel called Crafting with Quilling Lady. On Friday we've met because after knowing each other only on social media, mainly on Facebook, a few years ago, we actually realized that we live in the same place and we actually work just 15 minutes away from each other. So that was so nice to actually meet someone which you chat on daily basis, almost on social media, and you follow each other YouTube channels, and to realize that you actually live in the same place and you can meet from time to time. So this card I received from Monika. We met for a coffee and she gave me this entry. It's the first entry into my giveaway. She made this beautiful card. I love the size. It's massive. It's about what is it? It's about 18 centimeters tall. It's a massive card, beautiful in my favorite colors, which is green. I love the green, I love the sparkles and lots of green gems, which I really love. If you want to see this card video tutorial, I'm going to link Monika's channel and you can see how she created it, because I think today's Tuesday. Yes, today is Tuesday. She actually uploaded the video tutorial yesterday, so you can check it out, or maybe you already seen it. So it's from Monika with beautiful butterflies, which I love, and a 5,000 over here, and a message in Polish. So thank you so much, Monika, for this. The second one, I opened it and I know who sent this one. Again, more butterflies and more green color. Love it. Thank you so much. Yeah, lots of beautiful I love those butterflies. I'm just wondering if they are stickers or just ephemeral pieces which were stuck down, and those flat sequins, I love it. And this one is from Christine Cards and Things. Here is my entry into your giveaway. I hope you like it. Congratulations on reaching 5k. It is well deserved, and may your channel continue to grow. With love from Christine Cards and Things. So this one is from lovely Christine. She's one of crafters I do collaboration with, and I really like how she creates her beautiful projects. And I love this ATC. I love the flowers. It looks like vellum, like more butterflies and some informations. I already have Christine's information, so it would be nice. It will be a nice addition to all those ATCs I started to collect actually. And yeah, thank you so much, Christine, because what I ask you to send me something which you like making. So thank you so much for that. And I don't even know who is it from. I saw it, saw the name and address, I think, on the envelope yesterday, but I did not open it, so let me do it now. Congratulations, I like it. Is it stamped? I like that. Oh, I know. Dear Monica, congratulations on reaching 5k subscribers. Please find enclosed a card, ATC, tag and embellishment box for your wonderful giveaway. I hope you get lots of entries and lots of more subscribers. Crafty Hacks, Andrea. So this is Andrea, Andrea, the Cambrian crafter. I'm sorry, Andrea. It's been such a long day and I injured my hand. But it's nothing major. Let me grab some scissors. And I love purple. Thank you so much. more purple inside. Look at those. And more butterflies. I love butterflies. Oh, and another lovely ATC. If you don't know Andrea, please go and check out her YouTube channel. She actually has a giveaway running currently as well. I'm sorry. Yeah, I've got your information as well at the back, which is nice, so I can send you some birthday mail, happy mail. I love this. Again, you surprised me with your techniques. Let me see if you can see everything. My battery is running low, but hopefully I will manage it. I love the embossing at the background. I love it. You need to let me know what is it exactly, or maybe you've got a video ready. I would love to see it. Thank you so much, Andrea. I love that. Love purple. Attack. I love lace. Beautiful lace. Follow your dreams. Yeah, I am trying. Stamped. I can see some inking, stenciling, and I love your stamp. I love it. It's so beautiful, and it's in purple again. I love that. Now I need to see the card. You see, have a look at that. Everything goes so nicely together. Every single piece has butterflies or butterfly and the same color palette. I love it. This is so nice. And it's a card. It's like a blank card. Let's see. With envelope. Oh, love this butterfly. So nice. And that stamp, it's such a beautiful stamp, Andrea. I love it. Yeah, it's a blank card. Thank you so much. Yeah, great idea. I need to finish. Oh, actually, I need to start my Valentine's swap. So you're giving me ideas. And that's the embellishment box. The same paper, the same love over here. Really nice. Oh, okay. This is so useful. Yeah, I'm going to definitely use that. Yeah, I need it. I will definitely use this one. Yeah, today or tomorrow, definitely. Yeah, I was thinking I need to find my cutting die with which says love, and now I don't have to look for it. Thank you so much, Andrea. This is so nice. So as I said, Andrea has a giveaway running currently as well. I enter her giveaway as well. So we're going to link Christine and Monica below the video. And this is such a cute idea to send washi tapes. Oh, this one is nice. Look at that. I hope you can see that in the slide. So you, I would love you to go to Andrea's, Christine's, and Monica's YouTube channels to see and explore what kind of things they create. Oh, and those are those embellishments she made from shrink plastic. Yes, I broke my promise not to spend anything this year, and I already ordered that shrink plastic, so I'm going to play with my daughters. I love those. Wow, this one is so nice. The glitter. I will have to rewatch your videos, Andrea. Those are such wonderful pieces. I like this one. Both sides are so good. Yeah, now I know what to expect. Thank you so much, Andrea, for that. This one, it's like for summary projects. Love it. I will tidy it up later. Oh, beads. Okay, I will definitely give it to my youngest daughter. She loves beads, and actually I got like 2 bags of beads from Monika as well for especially for Natalia, because she's doing so much jewelry lately. She will be really super excited about it. Yeah, I love those as well. Yeah, nice flamingo stars. Those are like waves. Oh, and handmade flowers. I love those as well. Look at those. Have you made them yourself, Andrea? I'm Beautiful colors, beautiful. They work together with the full embellishment box and all the embellishments. uh, Glitter jar is like a potion. Love it. And yeah, what I was thinking, I need to know, I need to experiment with paper clips and do some embellishments on paper clips. So if someone done anything like that before, send me your link to your YouTube channel, to your videos, because I really want to see it, because I have no idea how to start doing that. Oh wow. Oh, these actually like pearls from Waxio. I haven't done those. I got a lot of wax, so I was actually playing with my Waxios as well. Love the colors. I love this color. This is so nice. Thank you so much, Andrea. I will definitely use all of those. These are just beautiful. I love those small ones. This one is so tiny. But I will try not to buy too much. But as I said, yeah, I broke my own promise, and I did buy some shrink plastic, and I bought a little bit of new collection from Lou Collins, because I couldn't resist. I just couldn't. I don't know, there's something wrong with me maybe. But what I said to myself, that I will only buy if I sell something first. So I need to earn something before buying anything. Okay, so let me write it down. So I wrote Monica already, and then number 2 we've got Christine, and number 3 we've got Andrea. Okay, thank you so much, ladies. I'm going to link your channels below the video. And I want to do a quick video. I started with Andrea. Andrea, the Cambrian crafter, has a giveaway. She's giving away a wellness jar and something else. But you will need to check it out for yourself. So her giveaway is finishing on the 28th of February, and she asks for ATC card. Simple ATC card, but if you want to send her something more, it's all up to you. And then another VR for lovely Teresa. She's a cardboard crafter, and she has 4-year anniversary of her being on YouTube. So go over to her YouTube channel as well. I'm going to link both of the ladies below, so you can check out full what you need to do to enter the giveaways. And she wants you to send something you like making, an ATC. And Teresa's giveaway is finishing. You need to send it by the 1st of March. So that's from me. And also my giveaway is finishing on the 10th of March, so you've got plenty of time. And I'm going to link my giveaway video as well at the end and below the video, so you can check out as well what are the prizes, because I've got 2 prizes. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for sending me those lovely goodies, and I love watching looking at other people's, how they craft and what they create, which is really inspiring, and gives different ideas how to create, what products to use, how even put colors together. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.